In many factories, critical processes are vulnerable for failures in the power supply. If the production stops, it takes a long time to get the factory fully operational again. To avoid such downtime, standby generators are often used to keep production going. Modern control systems, however, are highly sensitive to the loss of power supply. Even the smallest dip in power supply makes it necessary to reboot again, and the production will be interrupted, even with the standby generator running. The mcenergy containers are equipped with a failure ride-through system and a fast blackout recovery system. They take the load during a power supply failure. Starting the standby generator is now less crucial and production keeps on going. mcenergy provides the time required to start up the standby generator. If the generator fails to start, mcenergy provides enough energy to stop the process in a controlled manner. This will speed up the startup of the factory after the power supply has been restored. mcenergy reduces downtime and keeps the process going if the power supply fails. mcenergy, modular energy storage.